Hello there, this is A-Tree101 here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining some stuff about calculus, because why not? So the first thing I'm going to do is show you something you might all know, which is the gradient. So yeah, this is just a change in y over the change in x, and then that will give you the gradient. So yeah, and then in calculus there's a derivative, which is just the same thing but for a curve. And the way you do it for a curve is slightly more complicated, because, well, the gradient is always changing. So let's say this one was the graph of 2x, then, well, and this was the point 4. So this was x equals 4 and x equals 6. So then the gradient would be like, because it's 2x, so 12 minus 8 is 4. And then like 6 minus 4 is 2. So then that would be 2, which is the same here. But then, what if we wanted to do it for the graph of x squared? Well, we just select 2 points here, and then this one will be x, this one will be x plus h, meaning that this part here is h. So we'll have a line that connects those 2 points. So basically this line will go through the curve when there are 2 points, but then if we try and reduce the space between these points to 0, then it will be 1 point, and then this will become the tangent, which will then give us the gradient at the point. So basically, it's literally just the same thing. So that would be x plus h squared minus x squared over h, because we already know this distance is h. And then that would be x squared plus 2hx plus h squared minus x squared. These two cancel out, and then this is over h, but then the h's cancel out. So this is 2x plus h. And then what we can do is there's things called limits, which allow you to basically force a value to approach 0 or approach a certain value. So we can force h to go to 0, which will leave us with 2x. So that's what it is. So the gradient at any point is just 2x. So basically, you can do this for any function. So if you had like fx and x, you could do. There you go. Now you know that. That's epic, isn't it? And I'll do another video explaining more about stuff. Oh, and also the way you write the derivative or the gradient of it. So you'll see it as this most of the time, or just this, dy over dx or d over dx. You'll also see this, f apostrophe or f prime. That's just another way of writing it. And don't forget to subscribe, because we are only 10 away from 100, and at 100 something epic will happen. And yeah, bye.
Hello there, I don't care. You eat pear and shave hair and dyeing your dying, we're dying, everyone's dying, stop crying, subscribe please, and like please, and hit the bell please, and don't kill cheese.